the next quarter.
Introducing the new way of brushing your teeth, something that hasn't changed in 500 years. With micro-cleaning friction power and 360-degree wrap sonic technology, the new UNOBRUSH is 2 times more effective than regular toothbrushes and cleans 99.9% of your teeth surface. Plus, it brushes all of your teeth at once in only 6 seconds. It's easy to store, clean, and charge with the minimalist Danish-designed UV light docking station that eliminates significant cleanliness flaws with today's toothbrushes. The UNOBRUSH has earned numerous awards worldwide, including the most innovative product by Microsoft. It's the world's first anti-cavity toothbrush that combines an ergonomic mouthpiece, patent-pending 360-degree wrapping unifoam, and pulsing sonic vibrations that deliver a refreshing clean to your mouth, teeth, and gums, unlike anything you've ever experienced.
We have a mission. We want to make good oral hygiene easy and accessible for everyone, and we want you to help us.
This is UNOBRUSH,
a solution that cleans all the teeth simultaneously using our specially developed 360-degree wrapping unifoam, a patent-pending oral care technology that forms to every tooth and is proven to be more effective at cleaning teeth while protecting gum health. This means you don't have to brush for 120 seconds, but instead, just 6. To clean the teeth, UNOBRUSH uses unifoam, our patent-pending medical-grade sponge-like material developed through extensive R&D. Unifoam is embedded with micro-ridges coated in a crisscross pattern to create micro-cleaning friction. This way, bacteria and plaque are removed, leaving you with a clean mouth and fresh feeling. You'll store UNOBRUSH in the docking station that is designed in Denmark. It works as a charging station, but also sterilizes the UNOBRUSH using UV light. For the design, we were inspired by famous Danish architects and NASA-shaped technology. Altogether, UNOBRUSH combines a stunning appearance on the outside with advanced patent-pending technology on the inside. UNOBRUSH arrives as a complete kit with a 1-year warranty to ensure your 100% satisfaction. We paired unifoam with sonic vibrations and fluid wave technology that work together to flow toothpaste between each and every tooth and below the gum line, getting into places a manual toothbrush can't reach.
Thank you for watching. Now let's change.
Are you one of the millions losing sleep from overheating, night sweats, or hot flashes? Or do chilly beds and cold feet keep you up at night? Wouldn't it be amazing if you and your partner could each have your own perfect sleep temperature on your own side of the bed instantly and on demand? Introducing the BEDJET, the world's first ultra-rapid cooling, heating, and climate control system made just for your bed. The BEDJET uses revolutionary direct convect air technology, sending air directly into your bedding to provide quiet and luxurious cooling and heating comfort. Use the BEDJET on any size bed, any type mattress, and install under the bed in just minutes. Control your comfort via wireless remote or our Bluetooth smartphone app. Just press a button to cool off instantly with a dry and refreshing room temperature breeze through the sheets, or warm your bedding to that toasty, just out of the dryer feeling in only 180 seconds. With over 50% of couples having different sleep temperature needs, the BEDJET solves the nighttime battle over the thermostat between you and your partner. Using our dual zone air comforter accessory, now each side of the bed is independently cooled or warm, giving you and your partner your own perfect sleep temperature just the way you want. We spend 1/3 of our lives in bed. Why settle for anything less than perfect, luxurious comfort and a great night's sleep? Plus, save hundreds on your utility bills by cooling or heating just where you sleep and not where you don't. Bring a BEDJET home today. Sleep happier.
Hi everyone, my name is Alex. I'm going to be reviewing this fantastic little thing called the TRONO. From the first looks, nice little packet. I think they come in different colors, but I got the green one here. So let's give it a go. Open. Alright, that was simple enough. Now I got the TRONO inflated. I have to put this nice little cover on it. So, first I'll put it over it. Aha, got it. Around. Not too quick, otherwise we'll stop. Take your time. Zipping it all around. And here we have it. TRONO in green. Enjoy it in the park or everywhere else.